So I get this question all the time. I have a business or life coaching technique or something similar. I have created slides or materials for the coaching technique, and I have a name. I would like to protect the coaching technique or philosophy. How can I do this with intellectual property? Well, there is no great way to directly protect a coaching technique or philosophy using intellectual property. You can protect the name through trademark, and you can protect the materials through copyright. But what if someone obtains the materials and they don't actually copy them, but they are using your coaching technique that they learned about through obtaining the materials? In this case, they haven't infringed your trademark and they haven't infringed your copyright. So there isn't a great way to stop them from using your ideas and coaching philosophy. A coaching technique can be thought of as a process, which is typically covered by patents. But in the realm of coaching and philosophies, these processes don't quite rise to the level of patentability because a coaching technique is primarily comprised of mental steps and ideas, and that falls outside of the scope of patent protection. The coaching services offered to the consuming public can be trademarked, and if anyone uses your trademarked name to offer similar services, you can enforce your trademark against them, but this still doesn't actually protect the coaching technique itself. Trademark will help you build up brand recognition. If you offer a great coaching technique with great customer service, you can use your trademark to build up goodwill with respect to your services. Consumers will start to recognize your brand as offering exceptional quality, and they will come to you for that reason. Another option for protecting your coaching technique is by keeping it a trade secret. In this case, any of your employees or clients would be required to sign an NDA or a non-disclosure agreement. So whenever I get this question, I feel bad that I cannot help the person come up with a better intellectual property strategy to protect their coaching technique. I know the person has worked hard to come up with an innovative coaching technique and process, but there isn't much that I can do directly to help them protect that process. That said, the combination of trademarks and copyrights is definitely better than nothing. These categories of intellectual property can be licensed to other practitioners under your brand name, and you can generate some revenue sources that way.